how I am going to use one source qualified transmission to bring two tables. The same action we can do in joint transmission also. Joint transmission యూజ్ చేసి మనం రెండు సోర్స్ని ఎలా తీసుకొని జాయిన్ చేసి టార్గెట్లోకి పంపిస్తున్నామో అదేవిధంగా సోర్స్ క్వాలిఫైడ్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్లో జాయినర్ కొరి వాడి టూ టూ సోర్స్ని జాయిన్ చేసి టూ సోర్స్ టూ టేబుల్స్ని ఈఎంపీ టేబుల్ డిబిట్ టేబుల్ వాటిని ఇన్పుట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఆ ఇన్పుట్ చేసుకున్న టూ టేబుల్స్ని జాయిన్ కొరి ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ కొరి ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్లో మనకి డిబి where is the database? Okay. Okay, DB. Okay, very good. Here, let's pinch it. What is source qualified? Join select star EMP. Core is the source. Core is the source. మనకి రెండో సోర్స్ టేబుల్ కూడా సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్ డిపిటి. So these two are the tables. What I am going to do, I am going to write a query. Already we have a query to join. Yes, EMP DBT from EMP. From EMP we have whenever we are making as a DEPT also, just DPT ఇక్కడ ఫ్రమ్ క్లాస్లో కామ డి కామ alias d comma d name comma d comma loc. Loc means location. First we will see where how many ways we can join two tables in Oracle. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే నిన్న ఏమడిగిందంటే ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఇక్కడ వేర్ క్లాస్ వాడి వేర్ ఈఎంపి డాట్ డిపిటిఎన్ఓ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి డాట్ డిపిటిఎన్ఓ ఇలా 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 చేశా. ఇలా చేసినప్పుడు వేర్ యూజ్ చేశాను, జాయిన్ అనే కీవర్డ్ యూజ్ చేశాను. షీఈ్ ఆస్కింగ్ వై, వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్? Yeah, if you don't mind, could you please call me after 15 minutes? Sorry, 5 o'clock. Don't have a call back. 5 o'clock. Yes, tell me. Then. Okay. Yes. Correct. Yeah, right. Salary. Correct. Correct. Yeah, senior software engineer. Yeah, sorry. Uh, yeah, this one, both tips I have taken, but source call for transmission, I'm using as only one, which is coming from this one. You have to take. Yeah, one more question they asked in interview yesterday. How many columns you can going to be create the generate system is going to generate by mentioning how many columns based on what it is going to be generated that many columns. For example, if you see here, you're going to generate. Yeah, you have to. Do you know why it is not appearing? So we have to give the output columns. Then only it is going to be only input columns we have given. Once we have given the links to output, then this create query will be enabled. Properties, this create query will be enabled. Now you can't type anything. So the create query, what I am going to do is dname location. Dname location. This exercise I am showing table to table loading. Table to table loading is source I am receiving from table. Data target also I am going to receive table. So here create query I required for adding the target table. Sorry, yeah, creating the target table. Table created. Here EMP we have already created a source table last time. What I am going to do? Control C. Target table I'm going to create. This target table should be this structure. Whatever the structure, the down it is showing. How it is showing? Mm, not required. Department number after department number, D name, right? Uh, and D name where care two, where care two, of 10, comma, department name 10, no, 20. After the last column, location, LOC, intention. Also, worker only, worker two. Now, department number, linear location, department number. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns. I'm going to create one table. That is the table name is TGT TGT underscore employee target employee TTL. This is the table. Controls. Yeah, target employee detail table has been created. This table in real time we don't create this table until unless only one person you are the one person you have to take care everything then there may be chance but that time you have to yeah your technical lead is going to be guide you what are the data types what are the columns you have to take into the table and what are the extra columns you have to add those columns. These are all he is going to guide you. Guide you with his guidance. You are going to create the table. So now, right? Yeah, I have created table. This table I have to use as a target table. Ayyo, I have taken this schema only. Which schema? Core schema only. Let me drop here. This is core is the source schema. Drop table emp tgt emp detail. I'm going to delete this table, removing this table from the database. I am going to create other place, other schema, target schema. Which schema we are going to use? Uh, core. Core is yeah, HR schema we will use as a HR schema we will use as a target, right? HR. Hmm. Yeah, that means you should know that we should have a minimum two databases, or one database or one file system. That means data is coming in file and loading into the table, or data is coming into the table or loading into the file. Either of the way, but two different systems. For example, in this example, right? Core is the source system database. HR is the target system database. From core, we are receiving the data, EMP, DPT data, and HR, we are going to load the data that by using this query. So create uh, location, control C, go here, open, control C. Yeah, this is the, yeah, in this schema, target table in what we should know, whenever we have created one extra database connection, we should create the connection for that particular database in informatica side also. To access the tables in HR, we have to go for the creation of connection. To access the tables in HR, we have to go for connection. Let me close this one because this one already disconnected state. Here, right, red mark, PCRS. This one, red mark. I'm disconnecting this one. Refresh, exit. Going to workflow. Yeah, I'm going to create the connection, service connection, relation connection. So these are all the types of connections we can create. Not only this, some more also relation connection. Relation connection, new. Go for new. Informatica. Which database? Sorry, Oracle database we are going to create. Oracle database we are going to create. Uh, username HR. పెట్టింది HR connection strip XE. Let me try that. Here TGT HR DB. That means target database. We are going to use HR as a target database from now. Okay, this is the creation of the connection. Whenever you whatever the database, you just go. Once we receive the credentials such as user ID, password, then only we can go for the creation of the connections by this way. Just go here. TGT HRDB has been created. Let we workflow create. Yeah. Once we just now I came here for showing the how to create the connection relation. New is the keyword. So new is the option for creating the database connection. Oracle. These are all the databases. Yeah, I have created the Postgres. I have created the Green Plum. So corresponding databases we have taken. So any of the database not available here, then we go for the ODBC database. By using ODBC, we can connect to the databases which doesn't have link here, connector here. So this is the open database connectivity. Mm. So ODBC, they will Teradata. Whenever you want to access the Teradata database, that is the Teradata connection like that you can do. Yeah, close. Now go back to the Informatica record. Here I need to import the. Just now I created table, target table. Yeah, here are you familiar with this menus, right? Source analyzer. What is the purpose of source analyzer? Going to import metadata from the source tables or source objects. What is target designer? Going to be import the metadata from the target object, target table or target file. So now clear on target connections, right? Import from database. Where is available? Where is the table available? TGT underscore EMP details that is available in database. So import from database. We have clicked this one. So here source connection TGT Oracle. This one already created. If we don't create, yeah, here HR is the schema. HR is the schema, and password also HR. Whatever we set, this one connection. So okay, all. See here, whenever I click all right, the all databases can HR. HR schema. Okay, internally we have in databases, these are all the schemas we have either created by us or system has created. Nothing matter. It will show everything. But where is our core? Core is the one database, right? Here HR is there. Don't know why core is not showing. Let it be. We will see. But yeah, what is the table name? Just I have created TGT employee detail. This one we have to click OK. Yeah, once again I'm showing how to import. Just go to target menu. Target menu. After that, import from database. Why? Why we have to select this one? These are all the condition. What? Suppose we are going to import from file. We have to use the second option. Import from file. If we are, it is related to Excel XML file. The XML definition we have to import. Like that, whatever the database table we are pointing, that one we have to use. Is that a database table or like that? So this is the connectivity connection string we have already created. Target Oracle. This one HR is it will ask the connector. Whenever it will ask them, it will give the all the schemas available in this one. In this schema, HR is the schema which we are searching for. Just click this one. We can see list of tables available in HR. Open tables. There we need this one table only. TGT employee details. Okay. After clicking OK, we can see the metadata. What we call this one? This is the metadata. What is meant by metadata? Data about data called metadata. Also, we have data. It tells about the
Yes,
structure of
exactly.
the table, like data type columns, data type sizes. What is metadata? What is metadata? Metadata is nothing but data about data. It will always tells about the structure of the table or the structure of the object and data type sizes. Um, what is metadata? It's one word only. What is metadata? In Teradata, sorry, in any of the data variation technology, this is common. Metadata, have you imported the metadata of the table? Like that, they will ask. The manager will ask. You have to tell, yes, metadata I have imported. Now, source is ready with the two tables. Target is ready. Mapping. Mapping also double ready. So now, go to target where we have taken what is the table name TGT employee details drag just drag this one looks like simple but you have to practice even dragging us like here uh, select two objects source qualifier and by pressing the control you can select also next transmission by selecting this one also select other transmission by clicking the control button we can select like this now I deselecting these two which are not required these two only I need to select source and target right click here see auto link auto link auto link between whom source qualifier and tgt employee okay it's auto link how it will work it is going to be internally check for the matching of column names if the column is matching instead of drag and dropping it is going to be create the connection link. It is going to provide the link. For yeah. Next department. One column is missing. Department number one. Why it is missing? Department name, department number is available in the two tables. One is EMP table available. Second one is DEP table available. But our metadata, sorry, our target table have only one time only. Either you can take from EMP table or DEP table, either of your choice, but one only. No issue. That one we can write to query also. Okay. Just earlier, whenever we open, we check that override query not allowed to write the query. Now this time we open, see here also not available. Remove. Can anybody tell why this is not enabled? Because by mistake, I have taken metadata from flat file for department table. This one I have to remove this one flat file and this one oracle table cannot be joined, cannot be merged. Department number one, name, location. Let me remove. Okay. Now source department, this one, come here. After taking, I need to remove or SQL source qualifier. Remove, and now I'm going to take DPT number. This is the way, and D name and location. These are all we are going to drag to target. That's all. So now you see DEPT bracket Oracle, EMP bracket Oracle. Earlier it is a bracket flat file. So that bracket is telling from which schema you have taken this file. Okay. Property, click here. Yes. Are we able to override query or not? Yes. What we are going to do? We are going to use the query, whatever we have prepared by joining these two tables. Yeah, this is a very important. Just you have to, this is also called normal join, equijoin, whatever it may be. You should remember. Actually, for your understanding, I don't know. Mm, rest of the part, but this is since it is important. This sample query I am giving. The query will be like this. Example for equijoin. So uh, why I am giving this much array means maybe I may forget. That's why. Uh, okay. Equijoin or normal join and equi normal uh, normal join, equi or normal join. So yeah, let it be. So our task is focusing is Oracle, sorry, informatica. Here valid, yeah. See here, let me test the generator skill, how it is going to be generated. Generator skill. Generator skill also, whatever I have prepared, same query, it has prepared by seeing the connectivity. How this were able to create the query? This one able to create the query based on the given linked input columns. So here DEPT dot dname D, I used D. Rest everything is fine. Repeated D location. Uh, where repeated. Oh, this guy also use easy way. Like a Equations. Correct. I'm going to proceed for the same query, whatever override query I generated. Apply. Okay. Control S. And I'm going to compare this one. Oh, okay. First, let me load the actual data. After that, I will check one more. How to load? How to load? Which are which the records are only not null commission from the both. That one literature. Control S. Uh, Workflow manager. Before that, mapping, edit, Control C. Control C for copying the mapping name. Workflow, create WF underscore mapping name. Uh, okay. Workflow created. Now, need to create session. Yes. Suppose anybody have without anything no understanding, just you forget about this one. We have multiple times of repeated sessions. Even one to one also, I can spend time to teach you, to guide you. So only thing is you should be available, and we both should be get a free time, me and you. Then I can spend some time for explaining this one. Joins, right? This is the override query joins. Override query joins. This is the one. Yeah, I already told each session. One session will call how many mappings? One mapping only. That mapping we have to at the time of creation itself it will ask. So we have to show which mapping it has to be pointed. So that why we require session. Without session also we can run this one. Yeah, earlier they asked the guys, the interviewer whenever he is from other background like data stage background, so they will ask two things. Hey, Chala, you have worked in two environment, right? Data stage and informatica. Which one is you feel easier? I should not uh, devalue for any of the tool. Both should be. I need to explain two positives from data stage, two positives from informatica. I should explain two minus points from informatica, two minus points from data stage. Then finally you have to conclude since already whatever the client decided to use the same tool, I'm going to implement. Nothing importance for my idea, my opinion here. ఆ సెంటెన్స్ మాత్రం వాడాలి. So, hey, you told Oracle is very sorry, Informatica is very easier, right? But here, why you are using data stage? Like that, they will ask. Hey, why you told data stage is very easier, right? But why you have used Informatica? Like that, they will ask. Then you have to tell this way. That's not in my hand. Whatever the technology, that one I have to adapt and start working on that one. So now, yeah, here, where. Yeah, each session, how many sessions it can, how many mappings it can be called? One mapping only. One session, one mapping only. Components, mapping. Yeah, mapping tab, source. Source, what is source? Not at all HR schema. HR schema, target for us. Apply. Okay. Control S. Whenever control S, right? Whatever changes we have applied, right? Those changes has been saved temporarily. Then right click and run. Start workflow. What we can see? We can see the monitor. What is monitor? Monitor is the one of the comparator to see the job log information. and the job execution type. Mm, yeah, sorry, connected. Mm, where is the yeah, already whatever I have opened, right? That is not able to respond. So I'm came back to the workflow manager. Mm, okay, connected. Okay. Yeah, here this is the one. How to see the properties? Get run properties. I told you already existing class, the rare classes. Here, okay, okay. Sorry, I have to open the this get run properties of the session task. Get run properties. Source. How many records?
What it?
The above only source. Source EMP. 14 records started. Applied 14 records. No reject records 0. Effective 14 records. So yeah, this is fine. Finally, when we have to conclude, we have to conclude the data has been loaded properly. We have to give the count of records. Sorry guys. Okay. Let me target database, right? This one. Select star from. Select star from. Hello. Yeah, call me after 1 hour. 1 hour, please. I'm in another work. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, if we run this query, we can understand how data has been loaded. Wow, very good. Now, all 14 records from the source, both tables, merged into one table and loaded into target. This will be the mm, task given by a client like that. So while we are applying, right, it has to be applied the filter. Filter means where condition. The where condition should tell that wherever commission column is null, it should not be get loaded into target table. So one mapping is completed. You understand, right? If you are not understanding, from starting onwards, I will tell you once again. Hmm? You have to save the time by telling not required. If you are required, just keep quiet. I will go for explaining. No. Okay. Let me. Where is the mapping? Yeah, simple. I have imported source information EMP from the HR. What is the schema? Something core schema. Core schema. I have imported EMP These two tables. So target I have imported from TGT employee ETL. This is target. So after importing source and target, third step we have to go to the mapping and drag and drop this source and target and give the proper link between source table and target table and open this one. Here properties source qualified query SQ query. Get open the query. Go for clicking the generate query. Generate query, whenever you have given generate query, based on the columns you have linked, right? It is going to be create one query. Hmm. That query also you can use, or you can write your own query, and that query you have to paste here. But what is the use of override query? They will ask to improve the performance. How it is going to be improve the performance? Whenever we have given user rate query, system stop thinking about generating the override query. So, if we don't use query, it has to be system has to be generated the query, right? When at the time of job execution, so that part will be skipped. That way, the job will be performance improves. You understand? I hope. That way, you can improve. So, source call for transmission. Okay. You may get doubt. This one also generating by the system only, right? Then only, yes, it generated when it's not at the time of job executed. It is the time of just developing a map itself. I have clicked the generate SQL. With help of generate SQL, I'm able to create the generate the query. I have compared. Okay, everything is fine. EMP, DPT, and where class, everything is fine. Yeah, let us use the same query, and we can mm, keep it as it is. And after that one, Control S saved, and I have gone for creation of session task and workflow task. Then here session task, I have to give the connectivity details. Since these two are the two databases. Okay, okay, sorry. This one, yeah, source qualifier. This we have to pass this connection. For example, this one is the source oracle, source VARCL. Source VARCL is going to be data type to source. Target, yeah, target table. This one is okay. Apart from this one, what we have, um, TGTLP is the source of target, and this is options. Yeah, I have to explain some more options in target property. Whenever you select the target, right, there either the table should be truncated or only always records are going to be inserted. Let me check. I will show you this one. How to system is going to be delete the records. I will show you. So guys, tell me. I have not modified any of the session properties. Just I am going to rerun the job second time. So I'm running the job. What will happen? Now, what are the records count? What will happen? You have to answer me. Into Oracle, yes. Select count star. Select count star. ఎవరైతే ఆర్కిల్ కూరో చిన్న చిన్న కొరీలు నేను రాసేటప్పుడు టక్కుని రాసేసుకోవటమే. హౌ టు డిస్ప్లే total number of records in Oracle. Yeah, ఇది వచ్చేసిందిగా కౌంట్. Perfect. 40 records. So now, question once again, I'm repeating my question. If I have not changed anything, just I'm proceeding for executing the session, what will happen? How many records will I can see after second time executing?
28 records.
Correct. 28 records. Why restarting? Why?
Copy. It will
Yeah,
copy.
same set of records. One more time, we are dumping into target. Go here. Yeah, it's Session got succeeded. Session got succeeded. Say 14 records. Go here. Where is our database table? Yes. Right. Oh, okay. It is in waiting state. Guys, my Oracle is not opening. Hmm. Ah. Let me run one more time. So after execution of second time, I'm running query. How many? 28. Actually, what we call this is always just to keep on loading only. 28 for second time. So in order to that one, staging table loading, I told you that staging table loading will be how it will be happen. Those tables, right? Truncate and load fashion, they are going to be run. How they are going to truncate? Two ways. One way is writing the query in pre-SQL. What where we can see target, components, mapping, mm, configuration. Here, pre-session command, failure reason, post-session. Sorry, these are all the commands. Like Unix level we use, right? Pre-session command. That one we will execute. Mapping. Let it be. Properties, right? Mapping. Go to target. Here, truncate target table option. This one we have to check one. You remember this one, truncate table option. Truncate table option has to be checked. This is one way. Control S. Control S. Tell me now how many records we are going to see after executing the third time.
14.
Huh?
14.
Correct answer. Why I have given truncate table option. Mm, yeah. Oracle, Oracle window. Um, Shit. Wait. Let me open this one. Oracle query. Yeah. 14 records. See third time. Earlier, 28 records deleted 1 second before loading. So that is the truncate option. So earlier we don't have this option. What we have done, right? We used to write the query. Where we used to write the query. Sometimes we don't want to delete all the records. That time only we go for the creation of delete, right? Truncate option. Result file. Pre-SQL, post-SQL. What is pre and post? Any of the query you have to execute before data will loads. Those that is going to be pre. Delete from what is the table name? Table name DGT underscore employee DTL. Anyway, I will copy and paste. I don't re- believe whatever I typed. Mm, Sorry. Don't know what is what happened. Whenever I'm moving to Oracle, right, it is getting so much delay to open. Okay, let it be. This will be. You remember this one? This query once, okay. Delete query. Sometimes what happened, right? Indexes is the one of the concept. Indexes will be there in the target table. Why we have to indexes will harmful the target table, helpful for the సోర్స్ సోర్స్ సైడ్ కనుకుంటే టేబుల్లో ఉన్న డేటాను ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడానికి వెరీ ఫాస్టర్ వే వీ కెన్ పిక్ ద డేటా ఇఫ్ ద ఇండెక్సెస్ ఆర్ దేర్. If indexes for the target table, no, that is harmful for the loading. That means harmful in the sense drawback. Instead of loading the group of records, it is going to be load one after another record. What is the solution? We have to drop the index by using pre-SQL. We need to recreate the index by using post-SQL. So after loading, right, we have to, this one. mm, what are the purpose? Why you go for the using of pre-SQL and post-SQL? Okay, okay, very good. Whenever I feel the interview question, I am going to make a note of that so that next, right, we can discuss either after preparing the answers or sometimes we will get a chance to discuss. Where is this one? Control C. Uh, it's not responding. This thing. Mapping target table. Pre-SQL. I need to change the table name. Control. Yeah, it is it. This is the target table. I am going to remove the truncate table option. Yeah, here. Oh my God. I forgot to explain how to. Hey, మొత్తం పోయినాయి ఏంటి? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, no.
ఓకే 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 కనెక్టివిటీలో ఉన్నారు కదా. ఏమో ఒకసారిగా రిఫ్రెష్ లాగా వెళ్ళి చూపిస్తాను. ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను చూపించాలనుకుంటుంది ప్రీఎస్కి పోస్టర్స్కి డిఫరెంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మనకు కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఏంటి, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ ప్రీఎస్కిల్ అండ్ పోస్టర్స్కిల్ ఇన్ సెషన్ ప్రాపర్టీ కోర్లో కదా రాస్తుంది క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద వాట్ ఆర్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ pre and post SQL. Once again, I am repeating pre SQL for removing the indexes, post SQL for recreating the indexes. Because target table we should not entertain to set as indexes. And one more thing, pre SQL not only for removing the indexes, pre SQL delete the records. Already we have truncate option, truncate enable option. Why we go for pre SQL to delete records? What we have to tell? I have some days data. For example, I have uh, yeah, for this job is which I am running, that is the daily data. The daily data, the target table should support only 1 week data. Suppose eighth data we are eighth day data coming, first data has to be removed. So some portion of the need to delete some portion of the డేటా. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, సమ్ పోర్షన్ అంటే ఏంటంటే మనకు మొత్తం 1,00,000 రికార్డ్స్ ఉంటే ఆ 1,00,000 రికార్డ్స్లో ఓన్లీ 10,000 మాత్రమే డిలీట్ అవ్వాలి. ఆ 10,000 మ్యాచ్ అయ్యే విధంగా కండిషన్ ఒకటి పెట్టి దాంట్లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం. ప్రీ ఎస్క్యూఎల్‌లో రాస్తాం. ఈ ప్రీ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, టార్గెట్ డేటాబేస్‌కి వెళ్ళి ఆ 10,000 మాత్రమే డిలీట్ చేసి రిమైనింగ్ 90,000 రికార్డ్స్‌ని ఆన్‌తోనే ఉంచి డేటాని లోడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఈ ఏదైతే డేటా లోడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో, అట్లా వీ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ ట్రంకెట్ ఆప్షన్. అదే ట్రంకెట్ ఎనేబుల్ ఆప్షన్ పెట్టామనుకో 1,00,000 రికార్డ్స్‌ని ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిలీట్ 1,00,000 రికార్డ్స్. But wherever you whenever you use the PSQL, it is going to be delete only condition matched. How we are going to apply the condition? How the condition will be change the values? What is the variable? What is mapping parameter? These are all we will discuss in advanced concepts. Oh my God! Let me switch on my. ఒక ఆ క్వరీలో ఉన్నది ఎట్లా మనకి రన్ టైంలో డేట్ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది ఇవన్నీ చూపించాలి. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ జస్ట్ టు టు డిలీట్ సమ్ పోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, నాట్ some portion of data. Yeah, already we have truncate table enable option. Why we go for the PSQL deleted? Yeah, whenever, whenever we need to delete, we need to delete some portion of data. Very good answer. Okay, control answer. Yeah, I need to show how truncate table option enables for this mapping target table, normal update settles. These are all sessions. I will tell you what is the update, what is insert, what is update else insert. These are all I will tell you later. Okay, you can yeah, delete from table name. This one will work. Where commission is null. Yes, yes, yeah, very good. Not required. Personal not required. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Here, let me see target table. How many records are there? Target.
Three records.
Yeah, 14 records. What are that 14 records? Let me check. నాట్ రికార్డ్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయంటే 4 ఉన్నాయి అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ట్రంకెట్ ఎనేబుల్ ఆప్షన్ ఎనేబుల్ పెట్టాను అండ్ ప్రీ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ రాసేనా పోస్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ రాసేనా? పోస్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ రాసాను. పోస్ట్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఏం రాసాను? డిలీట్ ఫ్రమ్ టేబుల్ వేర్ కమిషన్ ఈస్ నల్. Let we start workflow. Guys, can you please, already 14 records are there in a target table. We are source, we have 14 records. I have enabled truncate option. I have given post SQL to delete table. Please tell me what will be the, if session executes successfully, what will be records reach to target? How many records will reach to target? How many records will be available in target? Could you please tell me? Anybody? Now, if I write the source, select star from TGT employee detail, how many records we can see? What is much confusion here? Why all guys are keep silent? Nobody even. Who will fine you to give the wrong answer? I just expect only interaction. 14 record is one option. 28 is one option. No record, zero is one option. Whatever you, the number you love, right? That number also one option. So don't be. What I understand is nobody is understanding me like that. I feel so simple. What I had done is this. What this mapping is doing. This mapping is loading entire 14 records. After before 14 records loading, it is going to be delete the old 14 records and going to be load new 14 records. After 14 records loading, PostSQL is going to be working. PostSQL, what it is going to delete? Deleting the wherever null commission is there, the commission column, null is there, those all records it is going to be deleted. First, what is it is doing? First, truncating, truncating data, data, because we have enabled checkbox. Enabled means enabled truncate option, table truncate option. Second activity, it is going to do inserting 14 records. What is third activity? It is doing in one run. In one run, in this third activity, can you please tell me?
Deleted the nulls
Correct. Deleting those records.
where commission is null.
Yeah, where commission is null. Bro, ఎవరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్తుంది?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు పర్టికులర్గా నల్ వాల్యూసే కాకుండా ఇక్కడ
అది కండిషన్ మార్చుకో నేను రాసిన కొరి నీకు ఇస్తాను. ఎస్, అది ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు డిఫరెంట్ కండిషన్ పోస్ట్ స్కిల్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, ప్రీ స్కిల్ ఇవ్వండి, ఇదే కండిషన్ తీసుకెళ్ళి. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈజనాలు ఇచ్చాను కదా, ఇప్పుడు డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 20 అని పెట్టుకోండి, అట్లా డిపార్ట్మెంట్ 20 మాత్రమే డిలీట్ అవుతాయి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ కండిషన్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ దోస్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డిలీట్ అనమాట. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా ఇది ఒక టైప్ ఆఫ్ లోడింగ్. You got it, right? So source qualified transformation with manaki. Yeah, before wind up the session, right, what I will do is I will show whatever the questions we will possibility for source qualified transformation. Interview questions on source qualified transformation in informatica. ఈరోజు క్లాస్ ఎర్లీగా వదిలేస్తున్నాను, అంటే 4కి వదిలేస్తున్నాను. మళ్ళీ అఖిల్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆపేసేలే, క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది.